Okay, now I'm going to show you my preferred method of actually landing my drone. And so just bear with me a minute. I'll just change on the controller. Okay, and this is the way I land it. There you go. So I use my hand to grab it, as you can see, thumb on that side, fingers on that side, and I pluck it out of the air. I think it's actually safer than putting your palm out, because sometimes you put it on your palm and a wind gust might blow the drone left or right and you might lose balance and drop the drone. So I actually just pluck it out of the air like that. In an emergency situation, you can actually just grab it like that and flick it over, and that'll stop the motors running. I've only done that once or twice, and that's when we have kids or dogs coming real quick, so you just grab it, bang, you turn it over. But I wouldn't recommend doing that too much, because it puts added stress and strain on the propellers and the motors. So, and pretty much that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and enjoy your day. Thank you. There you go, straight palm and take off. There you go. Okay, so that's in the air now. Now if I wanted to grab it in the air, I can just grab it such like that. Now in an emergency stop, if you need to stop it and there's people coming, you can actually just grab it and turn it upside down. Now I wouldn't recommend doing that too often, because it puts stresses on the motors and the actual propellers, but you can do it in an emergency situation where you just pick it out of the air and turn it upside down and the drone will stop automatically.